Okay then, so today we're going to make some spring greens and potato bhaaji. For this you need a good handful of shredded spring greens. There's 2 potatoes chopped and diced and peeled. We have a whole onion chopped. Over here we have 3 cloves of garlic and an inch of ginger all chopped up. We also have 2 green chilies chopped. Over here we have some Jeera seeds, we have some mustard seeds, and we have some Urid Dhal. Okay, so we're going to heat the oil in a pan.
Add mustard seeds, Jeera seeds, and the Urid Dhal till they pop. Add onions and fry. Ginger and garlic. Add the ginger and garlic and the green chilies and fry. You don't get it. You don't fry the onions till they're brown. You just fry them till they go translucent, you know. Now they've gone a bit translucent. Add the chopped potatoes.
Are these potatoes cooked?
No, they're not cooked, raw cooked. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add a little bit of water. Half a teaspoon of salt. Stir well. Now cover it and let it cook till the potatoes are half cooked.
Okay, so now the potatoes are half cooked, we're going to add the greens.
Add the greens. Stir well. Cover and cook till the greens and the potato are cooked. Now the greens and potatoes cooked, sprinkle a handful of grated coconut. Give it a stir and cook for about 3 minutes.
Okay, so now it's ready. You can serve it in a bowl. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell.